Welcome to India Visa Forum. If you're a hospital, wellness center, or yoga clinic hosting foreign nationals, this video will guide you through generating Form C. Stay tuned as we break down the process. What is Form C? Form C is a document mandated by Section 7 of the Foreigners Act, 1946, Rule 14.6 of the Registration of Foreigners Rules, 1992, Order 16 of the Foreigners Order, Report of Police, 1948. Any accommodation provider, including hospitals and AYUSH centers, must inform the authorities of foreign nationals staying with them within 24 hours. Non-compliance can lead to legal action under Section 14C of the Foreigners Act 1946. Submit Form C online at www.indianfrro.gov.in/FRRO/medical value travel. Registration process. Step 1. User registration. Visit www.indianfrro.gov.in/FRRO/medical value travel. Click Sign Up, Registration. Choose a user ID and enter your details, including name, email, mobile number, password. Hospital, AYUSH Yoga Wellness Center. Details. Nodal officer details. Address, contact, email ID. Step 2. Submission. Download and print the application after submission. Sign, stamp, and send it to FRRO or FRO via email or post. Submit a physical copy of the request form for user registration, along with required documents. Upon approval, you'll gain access to generate Form C. Step 3. Generating Form C. Log in and click Form C. Add, edit, print. Enter foreign guest details, personal details, name, passport number, address in home country, visa details, type, expiry date, arrival information, flight, port of entry, date of arrival. Click Save and Continue. Required documents. Request letter for Form C user registration. Owner's ID proof. Local government trade license. Hospital Clinic Wellness Center registration certificate. GST certificate. User registration form, signed by owner and manager, only Indian nationals. Undertaking letter for immediate response to FRRO queries. Let's go through some frequently asked questions. What is Form C? A mandatory document for registering foreign guests at any accommodation provider. Who must submit Form C? Hotels, guest houses, hostels, service apartments, individual house owners, ashrams, and hospitals. When should Form C be submitted? Within 24 hours of the foreign guest's arrival. Can I register multiple accommodations under one account? Yes, multiple centers can be registered under one account. Can I modify Form C after submission? Yes, modifications are allowed, but you may need FRRO assistance. Do's and don'ts. Do's. Provide accurate information. Submit Form C within 24 hours. Maintain a copy for records. Update guest departure dates in the system. Change your password every 30 days for security. Don'ts. Submit incomplete or inaccurate details. Delay Form C submission. Use manual submission instead of online. Forget to update guest departure dates. Medical and AYUSH Visa Portal. Hospitals and AYUSH centers can generate invitation letters for medical visa extensions. This letter contains a unique ID linked to the visa application at indiavisaonline.gov.in and indianfrro.gov.in. Generating an invitation letter. Click Request Letter for medical visa invitation. Enter details, patient information, treatment and doctor details, cost and attendant details. Submit and receive a unique ID for visa application. Extending a medical visa. Generate a request letter for medical visa extension. Submit it to FRRO with supporting documents. Now let's go through some frequently asked questions on medical visa invitation letter. What is an invitation letter? An official letter issued by a hospital for foreign patients seeking treatment. Who can generate it? Registered hospitals and AYUSH centers in India. How to request it. via the medical and AYUSH visa portal. What is required? Patient, treatment, and doctor details. Can I extend a medical visa? Yes, through the FRRO portal. Do's and don'ts for medical visa invitation. Do's. For hospitals, provide accurate patient and treatment details. Submit invitation letters in advance. Keep a copy for records. For patients, submit all required documents. Update hospital if travel plans change. Don'ts. For hospitals, delay submission of invitation letters. Provide incorrect or outdated details. For patients, ignore hospital instructions. Forget to follow up on visa applications. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to India Visa Forum. See you in the next video. Stay informed and stay compliant. Issued in public interest by India Visa Forum.